Hello everyone. I hope everyone's had a great new year so far. I can't believe we are at the end of January, but here we are. In this video, I sketch this really cool looking building, which I believe is a gym. And when I say I felt rusty sketching this, that's an understatement. I found it really quite tricky, and not because it was difficult to draw, but just because it had been so long since I'd sketched outdoors, and even in general, I don't think I've used watercolor since November, the beginning of November. With this, like I said, it was quite a simple scene, but I find one of my issues is when I think something's too simple, I almost overcomplicate it myself, and I add things that are unnecessary. I start to doubt myself, I fuss, I move things around too much. I was a little bit unsure, I just felt it was too simple. And it's funny, if you look at the picture, there are a lot of palm trees behind the building and at the side of the building. And before I even started, my plan was to just eradicate that. I didn't want them in the sketch at all. Like I said, I started doubting myself and I added the stupid palm trees and I ended up hating them. Thankfully, the majority of paints I use are transparent watercolors, so that meant I wetted a piece of kitchen paper and I just kind of erased those palm trees. It did leave the paper a little bit mulchy, which I expected, but at least I was without those trees because I'd wanted a clean line of the building. I loved that. In particular, I loved the slanted glass windows, but I think it all ended well. I really liked the finished sketch. I didn't think I would, and I did lose faith halfway through, but I persevered and I'm glad I did. I wasn't going to finish at one point. I thought I would redo the whole thing, and I thought, it might be interesting for others to see that, not every painting's perfect, and if you do just persevere till the end, you might end up really liking the sketch anyway. And if you don't, you'll learn something in the process. Usually don't doubt yourself and fiddle with the watercolor too much. Anyway, I hope you like this short video, and I'll see you in the next one.